Ross is my name.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I am doing another makeup look. No, this is not a tutorial, but it's very easy to follow through. Me getting ready because today is my friend's birthday. This whole quarantine thing, obviously we couldn't go out, we couldn't go out of town. So she's doing something really small at her apartment. I'm so excited because it's 2000's theme, so I went out of my way and made a shirt yesterday. This was my inspiration. It's been drying, so a lot of the little stones that I had around the word fell, but it's okay. Can y'all see? So cute. I literally hand painted it, so it was a lot of work. And with that, I'm gonna wear this white skirt that I got from American Eagle. My outfit is all white, which probably not a good idea to wear all white to a party, but here I am. And I'm wearing these shoes from my sister. I think they're from Fashion Nova or something. I have no idea, but they fit me big and I'm gonna wear them because they look so cute with my outfit. So let's just get started with the makeup.
I can't change it, the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm the same. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That I never exist. Whenever they say something, why don't you listen? Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting off my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting off my time. My time. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything. She paid me for everything. It's a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, that shit is everything. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I'll take somebody else's world. Ride it undercover. This shit is everything. This shit is everything. Don't understand. I used to hit you by that.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Okay, so this is how I did my hair a little bit.
Audio Jungle.
This is what I'm gonna end up wearing, so let's put it on since my hair and my makeup are already done. Let's see how the finished look turns out. My makeup.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.